everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful neck warmer. It's so simple, so beautiful and so fast crocheting. You need only one ball yarn. I use size yarn category is 4 and using 6.5 millimeter hook. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. I crocheted wrist warmers nearly 4 years ago. I put here photos, you can see that. Also, you can find these beautiful lacy wrist warmers on my channel. This link is from up here. It's so popular now, but we did it nearly 4 years ago. Hope you like it, them too. Now I add this category, this neck warmer. It's so simple and so fast crocheting and so beautiful. You can translate my video which language you want. You can click here and translate it. Also, if my video so speedy, you can slow me down from here. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful neck warmer. Let's start to crochet. We will start our neck warmer from this tail part. Okay, I prepare it. This is 300 meters. It's too long. I will show you a little sample. It's so simple crocheting. You can do that easily. I use this yarn. I bought it like that. It has no any label. So sorry for that. Its size category is 4, I think. I use with this 6.5 millimeter hook because I want to make it more softer. You will choose your hook big numbers. Okay, for prepare your yarn like that. For example, you can crochet it 5 millimeter also, but you can choose 6 or 6.5. You will adapt it like that. For this, I made here 300 chains. I made it too long. You will see the pictures. For this, I will tell you with 10 chains. It's so simple. 301 chains. Sorry, because you can see that I will make here 11. For it, first of all, make a slip knot. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yarn over. Skip this very first. Start from the second. Grab your yarn. Hold these 2 loops like that and make slip stitch both of them. Yarn over. Insert the next stitch. Grab your yarn. Hold them like that and make slip stitch. Yarn over. Next one. Hold 2 loops. Make slip stitch. We will make here, this is not making half double slip stitch we will make. If it has a different name, so sorry for this. Insert here, grab your yarn, hold these 2 loops, actually this yarn over loop, and make slip stitch like this. Insert, make slip stitch, yarn over, insert, make slip stitch, yarn over, insert, slip stitch, yarn over, insert, slip stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. Yarn over. First stitch I made here, usual half double. Insert both loops, grab my yarn. Sorry, usual half, not usual half double. Usual loops I insert, both loops. Make again slip stitch. Between of the first and the last stitch, I will make yarn over using only back loop. Grab my yarn, hold 2 loops again and make slip stitch. Yarn over, insert next one, grab my yarn, slip stitch, yarn over, next, grab my yarn, slip stitch. Do the same thing here. Hold them here. Now we come to the last stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, both loops here, grab your yarn, hold them and make slip stitch again. Chain one and turn. First one is both loops, grab your yarn, make slip stitch, then using back loop. First and the last both loop, between of them back loop. I repeated totally 4 rows. I have here 301 chains, then I have 300 half double slip stitch. I crocheted 4 rows totally. You will make your, and we will keep the crochet these neck ruffle parts. Okay, you know I have here 300 stitches. I put my markers middle of 60 stitches. I have here right side 120 stitches. I have here left side 120 stitches. Between of I have 60 stitches. Okay. You will, if you want to make it more shorter, for example, you will have 200 stitches. This 60 stitches for your circumference of your neck. For example, you have 50, you will separate 50 stitches for your neck. You have 200 stitches. 200 minus 50, you have 150 stitches. 75 one side, 75 one side. Okay, that's simple. I have here 60 stitches. I will make again slip knot. Then insert from this first marker. Make here single crochet. This count is 1, 2 and 3. This is my first double crochet and I want to hide this tail too. Yarn over, insert into the same stitch and make one more double. Then yarn over and insert the next stitch, make 2 double again, 1 and 2. Yarn over, insert the next one, 1 and 2. Next one, 1 and 2. We will make 2 double crochet in each stitch. Totally I will have 120 double crochet. I complete my double crochets and turn to you. Okay, I complete my double crochets here. Now we are on the second row. 1, 2, 3 and turn your work. Count as your first double crochet. Then yarn over and insert into the next one, 2, yarn over, insert into the next one, 3. Then we will start, we will make between of these starting and the finishing point, front posts and back posts. Yarn over, insert the next stitch as front post, front to back side, then front, grab my yarn, pull through to, pull through to. Yarn over, insert the second one, make here 1 and make one more front post on the second one. Yarn over, insert the third one as front post again. Totally I made here 4 front posts, then 3 back post, 1, next one, back to front, then back, grab my yarn, pull through to, yarn over, one more back post. I have 3 back posts. Now next stitch, 1 front post. When you come to second stitch, you will make here 2 front posts on the same stitch. The third one, only 1. Then next 3, make them 1 back post. 1, 2, and 3. First one, 1 front post. Second one, 2 front post. Third one, 1 front post. Then make 3 back post. 1, 2, 3. I will come to the end and turn to you. I come to end. I make my back post, then 1, 2, and 3 double crochet, chain 3 and turn my work. Again make, this is my first double, next one 2 and next one 3. Now we will see these back posts are front post. I will crochet them. First one as front post again. On the second one, again I will crochet the 2 front post, 1 and 2. Third one as same as 1 front post. I see here 4 back post, crochet as 4 back post. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I have here 3 stitch. First one, 1 front post. Second one, 2 front post. Third one, 1 front post. I have here 4 stitch back post. I crochet 4 back post. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I will keep crochet like that. Then I will crochet it the other side as same as 2 double crochet in each stitch. Then make 3 front, 3 back post. When you make the front post on the second one, make 2 front post. On the third row, you see here 3 front post. You crochet first one 1, second one 2, third one 1. Then you see 4 back post, crochet 4 back post. I do the same thing this side. Complete and turn to you. I complete my neck warmer. This accessory is so beautiful. I like it very much. Hope you like it. It's so simple. You can do that easily and so fast. If you have any questions, please leave me comments. And you can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.